Okay guys, so right here I have this lens. So I've talked a little bit about this lens on my channel before. It's a Sony 18-105 lens. So basically this is a zoom lens. For this video, I'm gonna be testing out this lens in a low light situation. I'm gonna be testing it out. The camera I have is the Sony a6400, which just on its own does a decent job in low light situations, but I'm gonna be testing out this lens to see if it's actually gonna do a good job. So I went out, it was on this day, it was like a festival, there was so much energy, so many things going on, and there was also this night market. So I went out there, I took some videos, I also took some photos. So I'm gonna show you the photos at the end. Wait till the end of the video and I'll show you all the photos from this night. And then you can also see the video quality that I took with this lens. And here are the video clips. As you can see, I was out here in this festival, there was a night market going on, and I was able to get some of these clips. I think they're really decent, pretty nice. So I got this lens, this is the 18-105 mm, and it's good for the daytime. It's perfect in the daytime. You can take some amazing photos and videos, but I've never really tested it out in the nighttime until now. Some tips for night photography is that number one, you have to lower your aperture. So you need to have a really low aperture, of maybe f2 or lower. But if you have a lens like this, I would say, the lowest aperture is 4, but make sure you have a good amount of light, a good decent amount of light. You can't shoot in the pitch black and expect to have good images or good photos. So you're gonna compensate for the low aperture with the other things like the shutter speed and the ISO. So you might have to bump up the ISO a little bit, not too much where it's right there in your face like, hey, this is digital and you can see too much grain. You can make it such that the ISO is high enough that you can see clearly, and the shutter speed is also pretty low where it's not too blurry. Right, that's the word. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, make sure you leave a like on the video and subscribe if you want to see some more of these videos. You can also check other videos on my channel. I have so many interesting videos that you might find really good. All right, so see you guys in the next one. Peace.